Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
And we're in this industry for the last more than 100 years. So today we've launched an exclusive store for Being Human, which is now owned by the Salman Khan family. And it's a complete solution for menswear in casual. So we have t-shirts, we have trousers, we have denims and shirts. Pricing would all be from $999 going up to 3,000 rupees. So I would request all the Salman Khan fans to join us in our celebration.